Good afternoon, fifth graders. This is Mr. Silman. I'm right here. Hello, how are you doing? I hope tonight you are watching this video, and this is lesson 5.3. So we're going to quickly dive into it. It's going to be sort of a review from the last couple lessons. So basically it involves subtracting. So if we had 5/8 of a pizza and we ate 3/8 of it, how much pizza is left? So think about that. Look at the denominators. They are the same. So all we're doing is we are taking 5/8 minus 3/8. And our answer should be 2/8. Very nice. 5 minus 3 is 2. 8 minus 8 is still 8. Nothing else changes there. Let's go right to the next problem here. If 6/7 of the class was in school and 2/7 of the class went to the library, what fraction of the class is left? Again, all we're going to do is subtract. The denominators are the same, so we're going to take 6 minus 2. Looks like that. If we do something like that, we put all the sevenths out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 minus 2, yep. So this says actually we have 6/7. That doesn't even make sense. See how we just do this. Perfect. 6 minus 2 is 4. 7 minus 7 is 7 in this. We keep the denominators the same. That just slides right over. Nothing else changes. Okay, I want you to try these by yourself. See what answers you come up with. How do we find out what n is? How do we find out what d is? Okay, take a second and look. All right, welcome back. Okay, we know that 3 minus something equals 1. So our answer is 2. N equals 2. We know that d, when we are subtracting like fractions, the denominator is the same all the way across. So d equals 9. D equals 9. Okay, so on this page I want you to pause the video and I want you to try some of these. I'm going to bring this down just a couple lessons here. There we go. All right, go ahead and pause the video and see what you come up with. Write these on a piece of paper. Either add or subtract. And then for this one, I want you to find what n is. What would n be? There's an n there. There's an n there. There's an n there. What is n? Okay, pause the video. Nice. All right, we're going to check your work in just a little bit, but again, I want you to pause the video and find what d is. There's a d, there's a d, there's a whole bunch of d's here, there's a whole bunch of d's in this one. Oh my goodness, look at all those d's. Okay, pause the video, see what you come up with. Welcome back, let's check your work. We go right to the next page. You can see exactly what that is. Let's make that a little bit bigger so you can see. Okay, you can see we have 2/5. 6/9. You can see what n is. You can see what the d's are. And again, when you are, this one's pretty easy. When you find d, the denominators are the same all the way across. Okay, here you might not know it, but we know we have 1, 2, we have 3 fractions. We know that they're going to equal each other, so that's going to be 3. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fractions we're adding, so the denominator is 7. All right, let's keep moving along. Oh, way too big. There we go. Go ahead and try these. Welcome back. Let's see what you get. Here's our answers right here. Okay, so tomorrow in class we're going to work on these right here and these right here. And the other thing I want you to do is if you go to the Schoology and you see this fraction vocabulary one right here and you end up playing it, there's some notes I want you to take. So on a piece of paper in your math notebook, if you brought that home on a separate sheet of paper, take some math notes. It's going to explain it all the way through this video. The video is only 6 minutes and 48 seconds, but you can pause it right here, and I want you to bring these notes to class tomorrow. You might get a treat. Okay? Have a great evening, and I will see you tomorrow.